Man, I have not done a POV drive in a hot minute, and I think it's probably gonna show today. But welcome back to a new POV drive with my F80 M3. Let me just give you a rundown of how it's been so far. It's been amazing. Nothing but actual like amazement. I'm so in love with it, but I, believe it or not, miss my 435i so much. Here's the reason why. I've got a lot of life things that have started to happen, and I kind of wish that I had more money, because right now the money's getting tight. It's not really because of this thing, but this thing also doesn't help because I pay $100 more in insurance. But it's just my 435i was something special, and I do kind of miss that. I think there's a nice Mercedes coming to my right. Yeah, gotta check this thing out. It's full tint and everything. Ooh, hello. AMG? Oh, you just stopped like 40 miles behind me. That's good. Come on, bud. Yeah, it's pretty nice. E-Class 4MATIC. I don't think it's anything special. But yeah, I mean, again, this car's been cool, but I do miss my 435i, just mainly because of like how I built it and just the sound of it, everything. Like, I love this car, but I don't know, man. Something tells me that like it was a great decision, but it wasn't. So I'm like I'm actually 50-50 on it now. So yeah, we're just gonna see how long this battery lasts too, because I only got like 20% on it. I forgot to charge the GoPro, but I honestly don't know how many people are gonna be on the road. Like, it's finally clearing up. It's been cloudy for days. It's a brand new year of 2026, so you know, I guess we'll just find out. Now, if you guys haven't seen either, kind of gave like a rundown in a video of like how you can afford an F80 M3 in 2026 as well, but M prices are going up so high that it's just stupid. It's like there's no point in owning an M car at $50,000. Like, I'm sorry, but these cars are nice, but they're not that nice. Like, you hear me miss the fact that I don't have my 435i anymore. Like, again, I love this car and it is a showstopper, but I think when you build out like any type of car really, really well, it'll attract the same attention. So like, basically what I'm saying is, I got my dream car. That's not really my dream car, but I'm getting these same reactions I would with my 435i. I just got a rear-wheel drive car that's a lot faster and sucks up a lot more gas. So I guess to each their own on that one. I guess we can open the valves a little bit. Not that you're gonna hear a lot. It is quite nice. I will say, if you guys ever own a car like this, even if it's a 335, 328, any type of car that you're trying to mod, I think honestly the best thing that you should ever do and consider is making content around that car. Just grow a brand around it, because at the end of the day, you're probably gonna drive it. Content's not gonna cost you anything to make. Just make it on your phone too. You don't have to get a GoPro and something super nice. But yeah, cause like, that's my theory with this. It's like, I drive this car. I probably should make more POV videos, but I don't. We also got winter tires on, so we're not probably gonna stick that well. What a beauty. It's such a beauty. Dude, vanilla. I will say, the one bad part about this M3, the smell when I floor it is not good. It smells so bad. It's not because of catalyst. It literally smells like rotting eggs. And it burns my nose hairs. Oh, a little G-Wagon over there. Oh, yeah. That's what I mean. Learn how to drive your car that way. Oh, yeah, look at that. Snow! Get your fucking Mopar looking ass out of here. Watch, he's gonna try and swim with me. Yep, guarantee it. Do it. Yep. Look at him. Look at him. Dude, your whole car is literally broken. I don't know if you know that you probably shouldn't be driving crazy like that. Maybe just a thought. Both of the doors were concaved in. Oh my god. I gotta pop my ears. That man really took off, like, fast. It's actually really surprising. Slow it down, I could probably race him. He's not slowing down that much. I'm not willing to speed up that much. Swimming through traffic up there. We're still on this guy. I think I do see a BMW SUV up there though. Yeah, that one. Maybe no, it's Mercedes. It is a BMW. Oh. Not a nice, well, it is a nice one, but it's not like an X6M or something. So that's still cool though. Still cool. Still fuck with it. Alright, can we, like, if we're gonna sit in the lane, can we, like, move over? People are trying to get by. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Move on over. Move on over. Alright, can you move on over now? You're in front of the semi. Let's go. Thank you. Oh no, not another one. Damn. Alright, I get it. Holy fuck. People over here are really fucking weird. I was climbing up in a taco. That was a lot of torque and a lot of grip. That scared me. That's what I mean, like, I know it's an M3 and like it gets attention, but you get the same attention from my 435i, if I'll be real. It does suck. Oh, hello. I know that one, I think. I love that color of a 428. That's a very nice color. Ah, that's a bat rock. Oh, I think it's a 435i, if I'm not mistaken. Easiest way to tell is like obviously the dual exhausts that are there. Dude, everyone just wants to fucking go 100 miles an hour. Like, just cruise. Like, how hard is that? We're not the Benz's family here, you know? Like, God. Oh, it's a 440. This guy does have his window down. I wonder if he's going to do something fancy. Are you going to do something fancy? No, you just like the speed. Cool. I like that color a lot. That's sick. Nice. Very cool. We gotta show him who's boss right now. Where are my burbles? There we go. This car, that's right. I paid good money for it. You look at it and you admire it. Good boy. Oh, I think it's just actually getting over. Alright boys, I don't know how much battery I got on this thing left, so I like had it at 20 and I guarantee you it's probably at like 10 at this point. So thanks for watching boys, and subscribe if you're new. Brand new year. I think a lot more POV drives coming, especially since you know, I will be going down to Bloomington quite a bit more because you know, I got someone special down there, so we gotta make these drives worth it. Not that they already aren't. Not that they already are not, but like I gotta make them content so that way hopefully we can pay for the gas.